So Rajesh, what do you hope people will be left with after attending base camp?
When they come in, they will get an opportunity to articulate their personal brand. And they spend 2 days going through the whole cleansing process in which base camp unfolds. And at the end, they're left with their personal brand manifesto, which they create based on the learnings in base camp. And that personal brand manifesto becomes what they take out from base camp and start to activate in their life. And then after base camp, we offer a complimentary base camp and action webinar, which is spread over 10 weeks, a weekly webinar that will help them to activate each aspect of what they learned in base camp so that all these 9 areas get activated in their life. So base camp provides what they need to activate, and the base camp and action webinar will help them to activate it and embed it in their life so that at the end of that process, their whole life is transformed. There is a huge breakthrough in how they show up in their communities, in their society, the value that they create, and the plateau effect that they are facing in the different areas of the life. All of that disappears and vanishes, and they start living a fulfilled life, a happy life, feeling and experiencing being whole, complete, and joyous. And when that feeling starts to come for them, that's the moment of the gift directly from my Father to them.